Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to unhide Threads badge on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Instagram account or app, then tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you can see, this is the Threads badge. Now once you tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner and then tap on notifications, here there is no available option to hide your Threads badge. So basically the Threads badge cannot be hidden, but what you can do is head over to your Threads app and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, then tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen and then tap on account. And here you'll find an option that says deactivate or delete profile. Tap on that and then simply tap on deactivate profile. Now here, as you can see, it only applies to your Threads profile. So deactivating your profile will temporarily unlink your Instagram account from your Threads account, which will remove your Threads badge. So that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.